Changing your payout method on Working Not Working is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log in. Access your account by visiting the Working Not Working website and logging in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Payout Methods or Payment Information. Click on this section to view your current payout options. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Enter the required information for your preferred payment method, such as bank details or payment service accounts. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Working Not Working. Make sure to double check your information to avoid any payment issues in the future.